want you to stop what you're doing and take a look at this video. You see that white Ford Explorer right there? You're looking at it rolling over and then bursting into flames. And what may have been behind this crash was sneezing. The driver says his allergies are flaring up. He began to sneeze, and that's when his right front tire went out. The next thing he knew, the car was on its side. You can see there, it caught fire right as he was getting out of the vehicle. The man's a father of two. He should be okay. He said that he is, quote, super thankful and grateful.